Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can streak on Snapchat, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So if you have been wanting to start a streak on Snapchat, what you have to do is, first thing first, open up your app, make sure it's updated version. We're going to go back from over here, we're going to abandon it. Now we're going to go to the chat section. Now how the streaks work is, first thing that you need to know is you have to send snaps regularly. You have to send your snaps to your friend. You have to keep on clicking and sending them, and they also need to send one back to you. It should be a back and forth, continuity every day to keep the streaks going, for it to increase further. Next thing that you should know is streak indication. So after a few days of your continuous back and forth snap sending, you will see a flame emoji and a number next to it, which is on your friend's name in the chat, indicating your streaks count. And as many as you send, it will start increasing. Now you will find hourglass or warning, which is if you see an hourglass emoji next to the flame, it means your streak is about to expire. So you need to send a snap right away within the next 24 hours. And that's how your streaks is going to increase or establish on the Snapchat app. So make sure you do this and you're good to go. That's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.